Good morning, students. So I hope that you would be fit and fine at your home. So in today's lecture, I am going to discuss with you the answers of the assignment which was given to you yesterday. Okay, so let's read the statement first. The statement is correct the following sentences. So one thing you have to take care that please solve it strictly according to the rules of the possessive nouns. So if you find that there is no any error in the given sentence, you can simply write no error. Okay, so let's move to the first sentence. The table's legs are broken. So as we discussed in the previous lectures that with non-livings we don't use any kind of that apostrophe. Okay, so here we can write the legs of the table are broken. Okay, so keep in mind that with non-living things we don't use apostrophe s, so that's why the correct way is the legs of the table are broken. So the next sentence is the house roof fell down. Okay, so again house is a non-living object. Okay, then the roof of the house fell down. Third sentence, I have seen Tagore's, the poet's paintings. Okay, so here you can use the rules of noun in apposition and then you can write your answer. I have seen Tagore, comma, the poet's paintings. Okay, so here Tagore, the poet, it is for the same person only. So you can use the rules of noun in apposition as it is in the answer. So fourth sentence, this house is of my father. So you can write this is my father's house. So there was no any difficulty to write this. So fifth sentence, these are students bags who are playing. So first of all, there is no any error in this sentence, so you can simply write no error. Okay, because these are students, so students, it is in plural noun. So in plural, we just place the apostrophe after the s. So same is done here. Students bags. Okay, so some of the students they might write like this: these are the bags of students who are playing. So that is also correct. But according, if we check it according to the rules of possessive noun, it is absolutely correct. Then this question is a little bit tricky one. It is his mother's sister's son's house. So you might be thinking that how to that compile all three nouns in one. Okay, so just try to think logically. So mother sisters means your aunt, and your aunt's son is your cousin. So we can replace all these three nouns with one only. This is his cousin's house, or you can write this also, it is his cousin's house. Okay, so I hope that you would have done the correct answers. Okay, so now one more thing which I assigned you today in your smart study app, that is some different ways to say how are you. Okay, and how to answer how are you in different ways. Okay, so you will get this in your smart study app also, so you can just go through. And one thing you have to keep in mind that though the ways to say how are you are different, but don't forget to keep in mind the situation. Okay, so this use is fruitful when you write in the correct situation. For example, how do you do and how are you. Normally people think that both are same. Okay, but there is a very huge difference in how are you and how do you do. So how do you do we use when we meet someone for the first time in the life. So we can't use in day to day life how do you do. Okay, so how are you, how do you do, meaning is same, but the difference of situation is there. Okay, so others are common only, other ways are just common. So one more is there, how have you been. So how have you been? We use when you meet someone after we can say that a short period of time. It can be of 1 week, it can be of 1 month. Okay, so then you can say that how have you been. Okay, so other ways are common. Okay, so you can use it easily. Okay, so now how we can answer. So here again I will repeat that the situation you have to keep in mind. So how are you? If you are really feeling good, you can say that I am good, pretty good, I am well. So if you want to be a little bit informal, you can say yeah, all right. Okay. So formal, very well, thanks. Oh, just the usual. Or you can say much better now that you are with me. So by chance you are not feeling well, you can say this also, not so well. Okay. If you are really feeling happy, you can say I am blessed. Okay. I am doing really well. And one here it is the mature answer, happy and content, thank you. So I hope that you will use these different ways in your day-to-day life, and you will try to improve, and you will try to replace your that previous ways. Okay, and you will really improve after attending this class. So thank you and have a nice day.